Hello everyone, welcome back to Me My Bets. I have a topic to sharing with you guys today. It's inspired actually from my actual situation, and also today we got some friends from our W205 Thailand club. They have almost the same situation like me, related on the warning issue from the W205, related on the warning. Okay, let's straight forward to our topic. So the first situation from my previous experience, related on the warning, related on this. I show on the screen. It's showing the battery and see owner manual. So this is my situation last time. So my first thought was it is a problem from the battery. So this is the situation. So based on that, I calling the technician, and they came and check it, my car, and they found that the battery is in the good condition. So this means that it not related on the battery. And then finally they found that the alternator is failure. It doesn't work. So actually I check it when we check in the workshop information and the meter screen. So it's showing the battery conditions. So you will see, if you guys click in the left and right button. I think the left side is okay, and the right side is maybe the calling button or something. Please check it again. However, the main top information is related on the battery for my situation, like from the UB, UB, IB, TB, and BN. For UB, the battery voltage, basically it should be between around 13 to 14 volts, and for the IB, battery current must to be positive. My situation last time is minus, so means that the alternator doesn't work. And for TB is the battery temperature actually, and it should be standard temperature. And the last one is BN, the battery charge status. So basically it should be in the health condition, like 80% or more than 90%, but my previous situation is 60. So finally we found that it was the alternator failure. So finally when I replaced the alternator, and finally my car is back to normal. And the second topic is related on one of our friend today. In the screen they're showing stop vehicle. It's showing the battery and then stop vehicle and leave the engine running. So it means that based on the information on the screen, the car is showing, or the car warning, please stop the vehicle. But means that you need to find somewhere to park your car maybe, and then after that you need just leave the engine running. So we found that based on our friends sharing the information, they're checking the battery, and the battery is the problem, because it doesn't work anymore, and it not the battery condition is very less, like 10 volts, like example like that what he mentioned. So it means that it should change the battery, not the alternator. All right, from my situation, my first situation just now, I changed the alternator because of that screen information. And for the second situation, it should change the battery. All right, just additional information too, we have warning also related on the auxiliary battery malfunctions. So auxiliary battery, basically it not in front of the hood, under the hood of the car. Basically it located in the passenger area. All right, if in case, but for the third situation I have never faced yet previously. So maybe I just keep preparing myself that if I face these warning issues, so I know that auxiliary malfunction, we should replace the battery on the bottom of the passenger area. All right, guys, I think that's all for my information today. I hope even it's very short information, but I hope it can be useful to everyone. Have a good day. Bye bye.